Welcome back to AZ Timeless Motorcycles. Today we're highlighting 10 classic motorcycles for sale across the United States, featuring real listings, real prices, and timeless vintage appeal. Number 1. 1965 Harley-Davidson XLCH, New Jersey, $3,000. This 1965 Harley-Davidson XLCH represents one of the purest forms of the classic American Sportster. The XLCH, short for Extra Light Competition High Compression, was designed as a performance-oriented machine stripped of unnecessary weight and focused on raw riding experience. Finished in black and offered with a clear New Jersey title, this example runs, rides, and stops, which is an important distinction in the vintage Harley market. Many XLCH models end up as long-term projects, but this one is presented as a usable motorcycle. The kickstart-only configuration delivers a very mechanical, hands-on connection between rider and machine, something modern bikes simply cannot replicate. At this price, it offers a rare chance to own a mid-1960s Harley-Davidson with classic character, without the premium typically associated with fully restored show bikes. Number 2. 1969 BSA, a 65 Firebird, New York, $4,600. The 1969 BSA, a 65 Firebird, is a defining example of late-era British motorcycle design, combining performance, style, and a distinctive exhaust note. This bike features matching numbers and shows just over 8,500 original miles, which significantly enhances its desirability among collectors. Recent updates include new carburetors, battery, electronic ignition, and exhaust, making it more reliable while still preserving its vintage appearance. The Lightning-style tank and exhaust configuration give the bike a more aggressive stance and reflect popular period upgrades. As British twins continue to gain attention in the collector market, a well-sorted Firebird like this offers both riding enjoyment and long-term appeal. Number 3. 1973 Yamaha Road 350, New York, $3,150. The Yamaha RD 350 is legendary for its lightweight chassis and explosive two-stroke performance, and this particular example stands far above an average survivor. Originally raced by Sam Ross in the 1970s and 1980s, this bike carries documented competition history, making it a true collector-grade machine. Despite its racing background, it remains street-legal with a clean title. Period-correct upgrades, such as the TZ long-range aluminum tank and Yamaha racing tail section, add authenticity, while the original lacquer paint preserves its historical integrity. Extensive paperwork details the modifications made during its racing career and explains why each change was implemented. For enthusiasts of classic racing, two-stroke performance, or Yamaha history, this RD 350 is both a thrilling ride and a rolling museum piece. Number 4. 1964 Triumph Tiger, New York, $5,600. This 1964 Triumph Tiger stands out as a rare one-owner motorcycle, a feature that significantly boosts its collectability. Kept indoors for its entire life and offered with a clean title and current registration, it represents careful ownership and long-term preservation. The Tiger was known for its balance between performance and reliability, making it popular with everyday riders during the 1960s. This example reportedly starts, rides, and stops exactly as it should, meaning it can be enjoyed immediately rather than requiring restoration. As original, unmodified British motorcycles become harder to find, this Triumph offers authenticity, history, and classic design in one well-preserved package. Number 5. 1989 Honda Goldwing, Delaware, $3,500. By the late 1980s, the Honda Goldwing had firmly established itself as one of the most reliable touring motorcycles ever built. This 1989 example shows approximately 25,000 miles and has received extensive recent maintenance, making it a strong candidate for continued long-distance use. Major service items include new tires, battery, rebuilt carburetors, fresh fluids, and brake work. All electronics are reported to function correctly, which is especially important on a touring bike of this era. The result is a smooth, comfortable ride that's ready for the road. For riders seeking a classic motorcycle that prioritizes comfort and practicality without sacrificing vintage appeal, this gold wing offers excellent value. Number 6. 1971 Norton Commando 750, Maryland, $6,500. The Norton Commando 750 is widely regarded as one of the most iconic British motorcycles ever produced. Introduced to address vibration issues common in earlier designs, the Commando's isolastic system helped it stand out for both performance and ride quality. This 1971 example features electronic ignition for improved reliability, while retaining its kickstart setup for an authentic riding experience. Known for its strong mid-range power and unmistakable sound, the Commando remains a favorite among enthusiasts who appreciate classic British engineering. It's a bike that delivers character, presence, and historical significance every time it's ridden. Number 7. 1982 Kawasaki KZ 1100, New York, $3,250. The Kawasaki KZ 1100 represents the peak of early 1980s Japanese muscle bikes, offering smooth inline-4 power and impressive durability. This particular example has been converted into a semi-cafe-style rider using mostly new components. Upgrades include new carburetors, a Delta BC for Colon-1 exhaust, refreshed wiring, LED lighting, new handlebars, and a new seat. With approximately 35,000 miles, it remains a regularly ridden motorcycle, capable of long trips as well as daily commuting. It blends vintage aesthetics with modern usability, making an appealing choice for riders who want classic looks without sacrificing reliability. Number 8. 1972 BMW R75-5, New York, $5,000. The BMW R75-5 is often praised for its engineering precision and long-term durability. This 1972 example is a one-owner motorcycle showing just under 28,000 miles, reflecting careful use rather than neglect. Finished in blue and equipped with a windshield, it's well suited for comfortable cruising. The air-cooled Boxer engine delivers smooth, predictable power, while BMW's reputation for build quality makes these bikes popular with riders who value longevity. For collectors and riders alike, the R75-5 represents a refined approach to vintage motorcycling. Number 9. 1975 Suzuki RE5, Delaware, $5,000. The Suzuki RE5 is one of the most unusual motorcycles ever produced by a major manufacturer. Powered by a single rotor Wankel engine, it represents Suzuki's bold engineering experiment during the 1970s. This example is number 145 of approximately 6,000 units produced and remains all original. It runs and rides and now includes extremely rare factory accessories, such as the front fairing and saddlebags. These parts are nearly impossible to source today and add significant collector value. The RE5 is not just a motorcycle. It's a conversation piece and a milestone in motorcycle engineering history. Number 10. 1972 Jawa CZ Trail 90, Ohio, $1,000. The 1972 Jawa CZ Trail 90 is a rare example of Eastern European motorcycle design, offered here as a restoration project. While sold as is, it includes all major components, making it a solid starting point for a dedicated enthusiast. Jawa motorcycles are known for their rugged simplicity and distinctive styling, and restored examples are increasingly sought after by collectors looking for something different from mainstream brands. This project bike offers a hands-on opportunity to revive a lesser-seen classic and create a truly unique vintage motorcycle. That's today's selection from AZ Timeless Motorcycles. Which classic motorcycle stands out to you? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.